good, sis? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with another video, girl. So I am working with these bundles from the company by the name of Alipop hair. They did send me 4 bundles, a 24-inch straight and then a 20-inch straight closure. Now, originally when I got the hair, it did not come like this. I actually dyed this myself using the One Step L'Oreal highlight colors. I guess that's what you want to call it. The stuff that you actually just mix with the developer. I did that method and I let the hair sit. I did film this process, but for some reason, I don't know where that footage is. So yeah, this is kind of like what I have at the moment. But yeah, basically, to sum it up, I made this unit, well, the bundles and the closure, into an actual unit. I started off by using the sewing machine, and then I ended up just finishing it off by hand sewing. For some reason, I'm not good at like doing wigs on the sewing machine. I'm not that good yet. So yeah. Now, what you're seeing me do now is I am silk pressing the hair, and this color is just so freaking cute. I loved it. So what made me end up cutting the bang, you will see later on in the video, but the actual lace, I don't know if it was because it was me, but the color of the lace just was not blending in with my hair. I mean, with my skin tone. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to do some cute little fringe bangs in there. Nice, cute, wispy Selena vibe. So that's what I ended up doing. Done several videos on me silk pressing hair too, so I'm just kind of going over you know, I'm just going through this pretty quick. And I am silk pressing the hair because since I had to like obviously wash the hair after I colored it, it was, you know, it had a little wave to it. So even though this was or is straight hair, it does, like when you do wet it, it does have a little bit of body. You know what I'm saying? Cute, which is fine because that just goes to show you it is virgin hair. So as you can see, you probably can't even tell right here because I did bleach the knots, but I don't know, the front of the closure it was not laying right. But I am going to do a thin wispy bang, so I parted a little thin piece out in the front, and I just want to cut in like a V motion. So like the edges of the bang is going to be longer than the middle because I just like that look on me. I just look really cute, you know. And then after that, I'm just going to bump the ends of the bang. And then for the silk press, I've stated this several times before, but I'm just gonna, you know, reiterate this, that for the silk press, I use the bio silk, but I use the light version because you don't want your weave too greasy. You don't want your real hair too greasy. You don't want the weave or wig too greasy. So use the light version if you are gonna do this. And it does make you look like, you know, Cash Dogs. You know, Cash Doll hair be Lizzie, duh. Yeah, so I did that, molding the hair on my face. I feel like a lot of people like this wig. Yeah, so I did get a ton of compliments on this style and the color, and I just felt like after me coloring the hair still bounced back. It was super good even though I did process it. So I'm not gonna tell you to color your hair, but if you was trying to color some hair and you wanted her to stay in her original condition, is that the word? Yeah, condition. Then this hair definitely held up and did a great, phenomenal job with coloring and still being full and healthy after all of that. So if you did want to pick up these bundles or check out their site, everything on them is going to be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.